in the bazaars of Hyderabad. What do you sell, O merchants? Richly your wares are displayed. Turbans of crimson and silver, tunics of purple brocade, mirrors with panels of amber, daggers with handles of jade. What do you weigh, O vendors? Saffrons and lentils and rice. What do you grin, O maidens? Sandalwood, henna and spice. What do you call, oi peddlers? Chessmen and ivory dice. What do you make, oi goldsmiths? Wristlets and ankles and rings. Bells for the feet of blue pigeons. Frail as a dragonfly's wing. Griddles of gold for dancers. Scabbards of gold for the king. What do you cry, oi fruitmen? Citron, pomegranate and plum. What do you play, oi magicians? Spells of eons to come. What do you weave, oi flower girls? With tassels of azure and red, crowns for the brown of a bridegroom, chaplets to garland his bed, sheets of white blossoms new garland to perfume the sleeps of the dead. In the bazaars of Hyderabad, one can find all the things. The merchants sell crimson and silver colored turbans, tunics of purple brocade, amber panelled mirrors, and jade handled daggers. Hard words and meanings. Brocade, expensive thick cloth with a pattern woven into it. Amber, a hard yellow substance used for making jewelry. The words dagger with handles of jade. Britlets, anklets and rings, grills of gold, scabbards of gold, etc. describe the grandeur of the market. Hard words and its meaning. Dagger, a short knife with a pointed blade used for piercing or stabbing. Jade, a semi-precious gemstone that takes a high polish. Wristlets, a band or bracelet worn around the wrist. Anklets, an ornament worn around the ankle. Griddles, a band of material around the waist that strengthens a skirt or trousers. Scabbards, a sheath of a sword, dagger or bayonet. Grandeur, the quality of being magnificent, splendid or grand. The vendors sell lentil, rice and saffron. The maidens sell sandalwood, henna and spice. Hard word, meaning. Maiden, an unmarried girl. The peddlers sell chessmen and ivory dice. Hard word and meaning. Peddlers, someone who travels about selling his wares. The goldsmiths make bells for the feet of the blue pigeons, gold grills for dancers, and gold scabbards for the king. Hard words and meaning. Grills. A woman's close-fitting foundation garment. Scabbards. A cover for the blade of a sword or dagger. The fruitmen sell citron, pomegranate, and plum. Hard word meaning. Citron. Large lemon-like fruit with thick aromatic rind. The magicians play their magic for a long time. The flower girls make bright blue colored tassels, crowns for the brown for a bridegroom, chaplets to garland his bed, new garnered sheets of white to perfume the dead. Hard words and meanings. Tassels. Adornment consisting of a bunch of cords fastened at one end. Chaplets. Flower arrangement consisting of a circular band of foliage or flowers for ornamental purpose. Different people sell different things we need. Without the things mentioned in the poem, we can't lead our day-to-day life. We can buy anything we want in the market if we have sufficient money. Hard word meaning. Oi. A meaning you, used in the past especially to address more than one person. Wares. Goods that someone sells in a market or on the street. Jade. A precious stone used for making jewelry and art objects. Vendor. Someone who sells something. Ivory. The yellowish white bone that an elephant's tusk is made of. Dice. A small block with 6 sides marked with spots. Frail. Thin and delicate. Scabbards. A cover for the blade of a sword or dagger. Eon. An extremely long period of time. Tassels. A group of strings tied together at one end and fastened to clothing or objects for decoration. Azure. Bright blue. Chaplets. A circle of flowers and leaves that you wear on your head.
మా వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.